3, 2, 1.
What tool do you use to make small holes or punctures? The answer is D, awl. What Jules Verne novel features Thomas Rock, a genius inventor, who created a powerful weapon? The answer is C, Facing the Flag. How tall is a typical zebra at the shoulder? The answer is B, 4 feet 1.2 m. A student is measuring the distance a car travels down a ramp using yards. Which measurement is most similar in length when using the metric system of measurement? The answer is D, meter. Which theory of the origin of the moon proposes that Earth's moon formed by the same process that formed Mars, Jupiter, and Neptune? The answer is D, the concretion theory. What contains loose-leaf paper? The answer is D, 3-ring binder. I paint the Mona Lisa, but I'm not a brush. Who am I? The answer is D, painter. Which of these terms means fear of pins and needles? The answer is B, balloonphobia. Which First Lady did not see her husband die during his term of office? The answer is A, Nancy Reagan. Which item helps you keep track of time while studying? The answer is C, alarm clock. What animal has a beak and lays eggs? The answer is C, ostrich. What is the first computer virus named after? The answer is A, elk cloner. Which philosopher famously said happiness lies in virtuous activity, and perfect happiness lies in the best activity, which is contemplative? The answer is A, Aristotle. Which structure connects arteries and veins in the heart? The answer is A, valve. Who is the ever-faithful friend and comrade in arms of Sherlock Holmes? The answer is C, John Watson. What is a small table used for in the kitchen? The answer is A, bookcase. Which famous book is also known as Lolita in the US, but Het in Dutch? The answer is D, The Catcher in the Rye. Who said ideas are more real than the objects they represent? The answer is B, Plato. What is a solution of potassium hydroxide called? The answer is C, KOH solution. If a liquid disappears, then that liquid probably did what? The answer is A. Gasify. What is the term for when a batter hits a home run on the first pitch of a game? The answer is C. Immediate impact. How many children did Dog have before his marriage in 2006? The answer is D. 12. Earthquakes at convergent plate boundaries mark the location of the what? The answer is C. Subducting lithosphere. The fungus benefits from the constant supply of food produced by what? The answer is D. The photosynthesizer. What tool measures length? The answer is A. Tape measure. Hydrogen sulfide is a noxious and toxic gas produced from decaying organic matter that contains what? The answer is C. Sulfur. What major events cause islands to form in the Pacific Ocean? The answer is C. Volcanic eruptions. What basic plant structure is the site of photosynthesis? The answer is A. Leaves. Which mountain was believed by the ancient Greeks to be the center of the earth? The answer is D. Mount Olympus. What is the process of genetic material passing from parent to offspring called? The answer is D. Heritability. What does a virus inject into the host cell? The answer is B. Nucleic acid. What's large, has a tail, and moves among the stars? The answer is A. Comet. Which term refers to the morbid fear of thunderstorms? The answer is A. Brontophobia. Which planet spins the fastest? The answer is D. Earth. What's often cold, but feels warm to the touch? The answer is D. Ice pack. Which novel by Scottish writer Robert Louis Stevenson is set during the War of the Roses? The answer is D. The Black Arrow. What concept is measured by a light year? The answer is C. Distance. What is the setting for Alice in Wonderland? The answer is C. Wonderland. What does the word carboniferous mean? The answer is B. Coal producing. What is the key ingredient in sushi rolls that isn't rice or seaweed? The answer is C. Fish. What is the name of the strongest tornado ever recorded in the U.S.? The answer is A. Tri-State Tornado. Who ran a store on the children's show Sesame Street immediately after Mr. Cooper's death? The answer is D. David and Gina. What shade of the blue color is also called angel blue? The answer is B. Light blue. What sport is associated with a pole vault? The answer is D. Athletics. What goes up but falls down without being dropped? The answer is D. Elevator. What veggie has a long, white root and is used for its tubers? The answer is D. Parsnip. What type of hydrocarbon is coal? The answer is D. Solid. The tallest mountain in Africa is Kilimanjaro or Kenya?
The answer is A. Kilimanjaro.
Which character from Stranger Things has a fear of spiders? The answer is C. Dustin Henderson. Which country has the most coastline?